yearly program of my administration. Outreach program, delivery of basic services in the morning and consultation dialogue in the afternoon. And in the afternoon, we have agreed that we should only bring out garbage during the day of collection. But there are still some of you are bringing out garbage even not on the day of collection. So ano mangyayari pag nasa labas yung garbage natin ako? Iwarwaran to tayo aso kung tayo pusa. So, nakanalas, nagkikita. Nung makita tayo, iniplasa tayo, nakadalusot po. So, tirupa di mesa mamagilyan. Kinadalos. So, masapol, kadeta, inimesa na ikang kampanya, kakabsat, the cleanliness and orderliness of our municipality. Aming achievement. Dahil yung kakabsat, kanayin ko may bagbagan in all my speaking engagement. Amin na pangmadayaw na managragpat, iniigit ay na mga babae.